Hello teacher, my name is Andres Frasica. Actually, I study industry engineering in the SEAT Acacias Meta. This is my document. Okay, in this moment I speak the word collaborative with my parents, my parents. Kate Partners. Duquesa and Ganadería J25. I speaking the empresa. I talk the enterprise Palmeras del Llano is a corporation the oil palm. Okay. K activities extraction for oil from oil palm, purchase of oil palm fruit, sale of palm kernel and byproducts of the palm extraction process. Value proposal, quality in the oil extraction process, fair price, scheduled deliveries times, improving in oil extraction caps, system relationships, trust generation, good market price, product quality, it's very important. Market segment, benefits for purchase and at higher demand, technical advice of the crops, trained for good agricultural practice. Key resource, better price in the purchase of fruit, sustainability ambiental and social, and this channel for communication with her. Cost structure, direct cost, labor, machinery, fruit transport, extraction process. Indirect cost, meter cubic the water, electricity in amperes. Source of income, save of oil, save of byproducts. Okay, teacher, this is my proposal for this activity. Thanks, teacher.